So when working with partners, there's a couple of different things that are critical. One is the format that the data is going to be transferred in. There needs to be an agreement between parties as to what is sent and what is going to be received, so that there is not a disconnect, the data is not getting dropped or lost in that process. There also has to be an agreement in terms of the data frequency, how often that data is coming across. Because if the supplier and the provider and the consumer of that data transfer are not in agreement, you could have data loss, you could have delays in the process. The other thing that becomes critical is that when you're looking at the concept of CRUD, or create, read, update, and delete, a lot of times when looking at data transfer, you think about the create. So you're going to send information and it's just going to live in your supply chain partners' systems. The challenge comes in when you need to do things like updates or deletes. How do you do those? What is the agreement that you have with your supply chain partners in terms of how you're going to make modifications to the data that gets over there? And sometimes even more challenging, what happens if you need to remove data that is in their systems? Is there a way that you can do that?